Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best Pokemon toys that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Funko Bulbasaur. The toy of Bulbasaur can be a good addition to Pokemon collectibles. It is a cute toy with the perfect finishing and polishing. The toy, made of durable vinyl material, is 3.75 inches in size and ideal for children aged 4 years and above. Watch this review video to learn how this best-selling pocket monster can provide your child with hours of entertainment. Moving on at number 9, we have the Tomy Pokemon My Friend Pikachu. The plush and soft Pikachu toy is made from premium quality materials. Your child can cuddle and play with it too, for it is made to be safe for kids. The trusted toy is ideal for children who are aged 3 years and above. Press it gently to hear Pikachu's signature phrase. This video by a YouTube reviewer will give you more insights into the product. At number 8, we have the Nanoblock Pokemon Venusaur Building Kit. The kit is one of the best Pokemon toys for kids as it contains building bricks that can be used to build the Pokemon named Venusaur. Building their favorite Pokemon is not only fun but also improves the cognitive skills of children. The bricks provide hours of entertainment for kids and are easy to use for making a three-dimensional toy. At number 7, we have the Mega Construct Pokemon Gyarados. The skill-building set contains fins, spikes, and fangs to build an exclusive 9 inches figure of the Pokemon Gyarados. Once the figure is assembled, you can find its articulate features, giving a unique playing experience to the children. To make an informed decision before buying, you can check out this review video. At number 6, we have the Basic Fun Pokemon Trainer Guess. The fan-favorite guessing game set includes a Pokemon ball with a single-button design and a field guide. The electronic ball runs on 3 AAA batteries and helps provide children with hours of entertainment. It has a voice recognition feature and is appropriate for children who know a lot about the game. At number 5, we have the Tomy Pokemon Throw-in Pop Pikachu Pokeball and Cubone. Your child could be the next Pokemon trainer and enjoy playing with this set of Pokeball along with 2 popular Pokemons Pikachu and Cubone. Playing with the set could increase your child's curiosity about the show. At number 4, we have the Mega Construx Pokemon Litten vs Popplio. When you want to encourage your children to build and play, this building set can be an appropriate option. The Battle Arena set contains 2 action figures, Litten and Popplio, that allows your little game lover to develop constructive skills. Loved by many reviewers, you can build them and make a battle scene as a unique addition to your Pokemon collectibles. At number 3, we have the Pokemon Battle action figure. The set includes several popular anime characters of Pokemon to create the perfect battle arena. Each colorful figure is 2 or 3 inches in size and has highlighted details. The popular characters and pocket monsters included in the set are Pikachu, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, Psyduck, Meowth, and Charmander. They can enhance your child's epic battle pretend play sessions and provide them with hours of entertainment. At number 2, we have the Pokemon Quest Plush. The toy set includes 3 4-inch Pokemon Quest plush toys in different colors. It is made of soft material. They have an even shape which is helpful to store them properly. These time-tested soft toy characters, Charmander, Jigglypuff, and Bulbasaur, are picked from the Pokemon video game, and can make a fun accessory to play with at birthday parties, housewarming events, and others. It is ideal for kids aged 4 years and above. And finally at number 1, we have the Tomy Itazura Electronic Piggy Bank. Your child can play and be encouraged to save coins in this piggy bank. This fan-favorite toy is bright red in color, features a simple design, and has a figure of Pikachu inside. The piggy bank comes with a cool feature. When your child keeps a coin on the top, The Pikachu takes it inside. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.